In this lesson, I want to explain mirror tool for spline. The mirror tool is here that add in a column. Its special main purpose of the mirror tool is for mirroring the polygon, point, and objects. Most of its setting is for that, especially for that. But they added here for mirroring a spline. We can do lots of interesting point for that. For example, I draw with a sketch and a spline like this, and I want to mirror it in some coordination system. When you select, you have to select nothing. That means you have to select all. You can access the mirror in a clone or right click. Simplest way is right click and mirror here. In the settings, we have important things like coordination system, the object, word, and screen. First, I explain you a screen. You can simply click and drag in any direction for making access of mirroring access. If you click and drag from up to down, we can mirror from this axis, as you can see. If you click and drag from left to right or right to left, you can make a vertical axis for mirroring, and you can change it anywhere that you want. If you want, you can turn on your snap and make better for mirroring. For example, I enable a snap and a grid or line, make them both. And as you can see, when you click and drag, change your mouse, going your mouse over any line, and you can see it's automatically a snap, and you can mirror it. It's in a screen. You can do it in a 3D, as you can see. Okay. Another thing is object or word. In a word, you have to select your mirror plane. For example, your object is here, and I want to mirror from this plane. This is Y and Z. This is correct, and you can simply click and drag. As you can see, you can choose your coordination system and simply mirror it because its snap is on. And you can change your mirror plane in anywhere. Most of the setting is for polygon. I will explain you in a polygon mode. As you can see, if you're in a polygon, make it editable and right click, and now we are in a polygon comments, and here we have a mirror again that is especially for polygons. It's like a weld point or so like. Okay, we draw another spline. For example, I draw a heart, enable a snapping just for points, and with a spline pen, I drag a heart. This is my heart for you. Snap it to the point, escape it, disable the snap, and make it adjusted. Double click for making it smoother. Okay, going up, and I want to mirror it from this plane in object. You can simply right click, select anything, a mirror going into the object, and simply click and drag it, snap to the object, and automatically mirror it for you. And the duplicate point is, I want to explain just this setting. Duplicate point, if it's turned off, it's just mirror them, not duplicate them. As you can see, if you want to duplicate, you have to do. Okay, this is a coordinate system. You can do it anything that you want. For example, if you select a word or a screen, you have to make your axis. And the objects I will be explained better in polygon. Wait for that. Okay, you can simply mirror any spline that you want.